wondering whether you can send your asset from one Binance user to another, then worry no more. This video we are going to demonstrate to you how you can easily send your crypto asset from one Binance user to another. Work with me. So first of all, of course, go to the funding section. There's this section here. It's called pay. Okay, then click. Okay, and then after now clicking that interface, you're now going to get into this section where you can you can either send or receive, or you can there's also mobile top up, they send cash. But because we are interested in sending the crypto asset to somebody else, then we click send. Bearing in mind that of course you have to have their Binance ID. This means you have to copy the ID, they have to send the ID. But nevertheless, you can either send through the email or their phone number or their Binance ID. In this case, we are going to use their Binance ID. Of course, the person that I want to send this particular asset here is this one, because I had already sent them before. Then of course, I'll just click there. Of course, I will now required to state the amount of USDT. You can send USDT, either USDT, EGPT, any kind of crypto asset. It's not only limited in USDT, but any form of crypto, be it BNB, be it USDC, be it BTC, be it Pepe, ETH, BTC, Solana, CAT, name them. You can send them to one Binance user to another. Okay, so because I have some crypto asset in form of USDT, I'll just click there, 7.7 USDT, then continue. Then of course I'll have to confirm the payment. The receiver name was there, the wallet is spot wallet, the payment currency of course is in form of USDT. Then of course, after confirming the data, of course I'll confirm, I'll accept the confirmation that the data that I'm sharing in, or the person that I'm sending the payment, is indeed the same person. So this help one to forgo in sending the wrong the currency to a wrong individual. So of course you'll state your PIN. I will set my PIN. Of course, they have to be a 16 GGT. There we go. We have successfully paid or sent the USDT to that particular individual. So easy peasy, abracadabra, you are done. So this indeed is helpful, so that you do not involve what we call the transaction cost when you're sending your fellow user in the same exchange. There's some subtraction when you're using maybe Solana network, when you're using maybe Prism network, or even Bitcoin network. They charge, but in this section is a free of charge. Mafi mushkila. Till next time, peace.